Hi guys, Ryan from the Private Banking Forum. Just doing a update to my journal and what I've been doing the last couple of days. I just took a slightly different approach to the markets yesterday. I decided to just take a swing sort of trade position on crude. The idea behind this is we're at a great support level. I mean, this is the current composite that we've been balancing in for the last 3 days of trade since Friday. So, and what happened yesterday is we see a test of a great support level here, and I've started to build a long position here in hope that we're going to see a rotation higher into the next week, into the next few days, week. And so what I did yesterday is I started to establish a long position here. And what I did basically was I got long on the first support level off of yesterday's lows, and I started to build a position here, and I got my first and second scale out, and I started to manage my core position. And the market spiked down, so what I did is I ended up taking to the break even on my original position, and I re-entered in J period, and I managed to get fully scaled out into the close. So on this current trade idea, I've managed to get my 2 scale outs, so 15, 36 scale out, break even on the position, and I re-added to the position down here at a better price, and I got scaled out again. So far I've got about 90 cent banked on this position, and my stop loss on this trade is currently at 106.40, which is about 48 ticks of risk. So I'm risking 48 ticks in this trade, and I've guaranteed a profit of 40 cent already. And just going to see how this plays out now. I mean, there's a couple. I'll run down just quickly some higher time frame analysis that I'm looking at. First of all, starting with the daily EMAs, and just the price channel I've been looking at, and as you can see, we've just been in this consolidation sideways range here. We've had this crazy sort of blow off top and bottom, where this news affected the markets, and I mean, this crazy spike higher to the 12-24 area was made in ETH hours. So I'm expecting a retest of this area in Globex in RTH pit hours to clean up this this price action. And you can also see that we've started to hold support here at the 10 and 20 EMA. And we did blast down to the 50 EMA and hold support on that spike down. And you can also see a price channel that I've drawn in, and we've been struggling to trade below the mean price, and we've been holding value. So another sort of thing I've been looking at, expecting a rotation high out of this bracket. So that's just some ideas here. Another idea also is, I mean, this is a bit of a long shot, but obviously we're at the quarterly value area high, and we've come back down, and we're continuing to reject and build higher value on the quarterly. So again, I'm expecting the rotations higher. From a yearly perspective, we're back at the year's value area high, and again we just keep rotating out of value here. So again, I'm expecting a push up away from the yearly developing value here and clean up this poor high that we've made in ETH hours. And last of all, I'm just going to show you a couple. Last thing I'm going to explain in a minute here is what we've seen on the Midas Vwaps. I mean, we've seen this this Vwap of the highest hold, and we had this spike down to another Vwap that I've been tracking, a longer term Vwap, and the last sort of swing low Vwap in this price range. And as you can see, we're holding this Vwap anchor point. We've held this Vwap anchor point. So the last thing to do is to come back into value from this Vwap anchor, and break through Vwap. This is what I'm expecting today to happen. I'm looking for the next couple of days, today or tomorrow. I'm expecting the 108.60 area to hold, to get tested and maybe broken through. And you can see that we've been trading in this this upper volume composite, and we can't trade below this low volume node, which is at the 106.50, which is one of my stops. Also, it's at 106.40 area, and we're holding this upper composite. So I'm looking to see if we can come up and fill some more volume in here, and clean up this spike excess high that was made in the ETH hours. And even though this market has been rotating down, we've seen the cumulative delta rising here, so it shows that there's more committed buying in the market. And like I said, I'm expecting this to hold a support and rotations higher. So I mean, I don't normally trade this sort of way, but I've been starting to look at these longer term sort of swings and building positions in the right places with what's happening. So what I'm expecting, what I was hoping to happen today is just to open above this trade from yesterday, and we might see a test of the yesterday's value and point of control. But I'm looking for this to get filled in and to build establish higher value and rotate through this current balance area that we've been building. I mean, this is the current value area, balance area we've been building the composite, and like I said, I'm just expecting obviously this to just to fill out and build some more volume and profile value higher. So we've got excess now on J period, and this is looking pretty great. So obviously my stop is in is about 106.40, and it's in this sort of low composite area, and I'm just looking for the market to keep propped up above this previous composite and this sort of this volume node here. As you can see, it held pretty nice yesterday and it was a great trade location. So just gonna see what happens here. It'd be nice to come up and just fill some more volume in, see if we can continue to see this rotate higher. But that's just the idea in this trade. And like I said, I'm risk free regards to trade, because in my eyes I'm 90 cent already profited in this trade. I'm only risking 48 cents. So even if I am wrong and my stop does get filled, then I will still be at a profitable trade. And we did come in yesterday and we held the value area low for the week, the developing value area low, also the developing value area high for the month, and we're continuing to come back into last week's values. So I mean, look, maybe today or tomorrow we're looking for a mean reversion type scenario when the test the other side of value at the 1010 even level is possible. Just have to see what happens here and how we continue to develop. I mean, one concern is we've got crude oil inventories out today, so I mean it could be a bit of a whippy price action day, and just have to see what happens. But what I am tracking is a Midas Vwap off this anchor point where I got long. I mean, I got long from this area here yesterday, so this is the Midas Vwap I'm currently tracking, and we have been riding the developing Midas Vwap and rejecting the current developing value area. So this is another thing I'll be tracking in this position to make sure that this position starts to develop correctly. Anyway, I will keep you posted over the next day or two on this and into the weekend on how I manage this trade and what I end up doing. And if you have any questions, then you can please just ask me on the forum. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I'll be in touch.